Now that we have covered xenoestrogens, I would also like to put some emphasis on PUFAs together with iron, as these also form a danger for testosterone levels. So polyunsaturated fatty acids are very unstable fats. They become rapidly rancid inside the body, generating free radicals and therefore oxidative stress to the Leydig cells, the very cells that produce testosterone. A study that I found showed that PUFA ingestion after 1 hour caused testosterone levels to drop with almost 100 nanograms per deciliter, and when this was combined with a refined carb source, we had almost a drop of 300 nanograms per deciliter. Patients with hemochromatosis, so now we are talking about iron overload, have low testosterone levels with erectile dysfunction. So what PUFAs and iron do is that they rapidly deplete vitamin E stores. Vitamin E is a antioxidant that we get from the food, and is in particular an antioxidant against PUFAs and against iron. So when we get lower vitamin E stores, our body experiences more oxidative stress. And the iron also lowers our copper stores. So it's not only vitamin E, but also copper. And copper is the main mineral for energy metabolism and also the pigmentation of our hair. So if you have graying hair, it means that there is a lot of oxidative stress going on, too much iron buildup, and not enough copper from the diet. So this leads to iron accumulation because copper regulates iron, and eventually it causes a hypometabolic state and also a hypogonadal state. So hypogonadism, low testosterone, is or can be due to too many PUFAs and iron, which deplete vitamin E, cause oxidative stress, and iron to accumulate. So what are the solutions? Very simple: rebuilding vitamin E stores over a period of like 2-3 months through a quality supplement, such as D-alpha tocopherol together with a mixed form of tocopherols. And you can supplement this many times throughout the week, so 5 days out of 7 or something, for a couple of months to rebuild your vitamin E stores. What you also can do is increase dietary copper from shellfish and organ meats, so you can replenish your copper stores, and the copper will regulate then the iron. So copper is the main regulator of iron. Keep that in mind. Copper is also needed for energy metabolism, so if you increase your copper intake through organ meats and shellfish, which we will cover in the nutrition section of this course, you'll also notice more energy levels. And finally, we have hijima. So hijima is actually cupping, but it's different than cupping because they poke tiny holes on your skin and then they apply the cup, and this is how they release stagnated blood basically. So this makes it more interesting because stagnated blood or iron accumulation, it happens in the tissues, and by doing hijima we can get rid of this stagnated blood or accumulation of iron. And this makes it also different from just donating blood, because when you donate blood it only comes from the artery and not from the tissues, right? So bloodletting hijima, this is quite helpful, especially for men who are already a little bit older, because the older you become, the more iron you will start accumulating in your body. So these are the three main solutions for PUFAs and iron.